this is Amber Hudson, the Education Director at First Makerspace. This month's Project of the Month will focus on Makey Makey. Let's begin by unpacking the Makey Makey box. Inside you will find the Makey Makey circuit board, a USB cable, 7 alligator clips, and 6 connector clips. These materials will help you to complete a circuit, the focus of Makey Makey. For us to better understand how Makey Makey works, we need to understand a little bit more about the control board or the circuit board for Makey Makey. Makey Makey is a conductive touchpad. That means that the touchpads on the Makey Makey can be connected to other things, and you can invent just about whatever you want. The touchpad needs to be connected to something that's conductive, and almost everything in the world is conductive, which is how you end up using bananas and apples as your conductive resource. If you take a look at the touchpad, you will see spots located at the bottom of the touchpad labeled Earth, where you can connect your alligator clips to. That's where your grounding comes in. You will see additional alligator clip connectors for the space bar, the click button, up and down arrows, and right and left arrows. This is what communicates to your computer and tells it what to do. Let's take a look at a very basic way to use Makey Makey. To use Makey Makey successfully, you will need a computer with a USB port. We'll show you how to attach that in just a moment. You will want to go to the website www.makeymakey.com/apps. Here you will find all of the preloaded apps available for Makey Makey, like the Bongos and the piano and the scratch piano. We're going to use the Bongos for this activity. To begin, you're going to take the USB cord and plug one end into your computer USB port and the other into the Makey Makey circuit board. When you plug it in, you will see a number of lights appear. You'll know you have successfully connected at that time. To use the Bongos app, you will need 3 alligator clips. The first alligator clip you will connect to Earth. This is the one that you will hold in your hand to complete the circuit. The second alligator clip you will connect to the left arrow and the other end into a banana. The third alligator clip you will connect to the space bar and into the other banana. To play the Bongos, you will need to hold the alligator clip connected to Earth in one hand, and with your other hand, or both hands, tap on each banana. One banana will make one sound, and the other banana will make a different sound of the Bongos. Here is an example of what you will hear and what you will see on your computer while playing the Bongos. I hope you've enjoyed this simple Makey Makey bongo tutorial. There are many, many more activities located on the Makey Makey website.